Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to create and use a Psiphon server with the ZiVPN client for fast, secure, and private browsing. Whether you're looking to enhance online privacy or access your favorite content safely, this method is simple and effective. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Google Play Store on your device. In the search bar, type ZiVPN. From the results, select the ZiVPN app, then tap Install. Once the app is downloaded and installed, go ahead and launch it. You'll now see the ZiVPN home screen, where we'll configure everything shortly. Step 2. Now, we'll create a Psiphon server to use with ZiVPN. Leave the ZiVPN app for now and open any browser. In the search bar, type UDP Custom. Then press Enter. From the search results, click on the official UDP Custom website. Once on the homepage, scroll down to the Services section and tap on the Psiphon server option. On the next page, tap the Create Server button. Wait a few moments while your server is generated. When it's ready, copy the server details. We'll use this in the ZiVPN app. Step 3. Head back to the ZiVPN app. On the home screen, locate the protocol options and check the box for Psiphon to activate it. Now tap the gear icon, usually in the top corner, to open the settings menu. From the list, select Psiphon server. In the Psiphon settings, paste the server address you copied earlier into the appropriate field. If you're using a proxy, you can enter the details in the proxy section as well. Once everything is filled out, go back to the home screen. Step 4. Now that the setup is complete, it's time to connect. Just tap the Start button. You'll now be connected to your configured Psiphon server and ready to enjoy fast, secure browsing. And that's it. You've successfully set up a Psiphon VPN server using the ZiVPN client. If this video helped you out, leave a like. Share it with your friends. And subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials and privacy tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.